Hi guys, with another video. Today I am gonna show you how you can make it hand soap, cream soap, this kind of soap. What I am gonna do with first this hand soap, I am gonna make it smaller with this. And let's start it. And what are you gonna do? One soap that you will use it. And make it smaller. Let's go. Look at this. This is the one. Like this much. Right there. Okay. Yeah. Make it all of them. So. Then you have to put this much water. If you have an older plastic like this one, I put the water all the way here, as you see, right there. Then, what are you gonna put? Put on inside of this, that we can boil the water, and same time we can make it smaller. This soap. Let's put the water inside here. Oh, sorry, not here. Okay. And then just open it that it can boil. Let me see. Is it working? Yeah. Okay, it's working. Let it boil itself, and we can continue the make smaller this soap. Yeah, maybe it's 5-10 minutes. It's gonna take like that. Any soap that you like to smell, you can do it. Let me pause the video. I don't want to take your time. Let me pause and then I will continue. Yeah, as you see, like a cheese. Still I have this much. Almost we're getting there. Yeah, a little bit more, as you see, right there. Almost done. Yeah. A little bit you're getting tired. This soap is like I bought for $1. It's not gonna cost a lot to you. Water and little time. If you have a time, of course, it's worth it to do. If you don't have time, and you can go ahead and buy, and you spend for maybe $4 or $5, you can buy the liquid soap like this. But I am gonna do it now because it's fun, and then it's fun and you save money. All about that. Okay, it's done. Now what we do? Let's get this. Let me take this. Okay, move a little bit camera right there. Okay, get this one. All right, make it a little closer here. Okay, you see, right? And get here, right middle, and then all this soap, right? You see, this goes inside. Let me see, make it small. Let me do smaller a little bit. Alright. A little bit here, from here. That's it. Okay, this is the way it is. And pour out inside the hot water. it's boiling. Put inside. And what you're gonna do, I need a piece of wood or something that I can stir. Okay, let me get it something. So this is the wood, but you can find anything else than just stir it inside. That maybe 5 minutes. You can stir it. Not the one time in 1 minute. Just leave it like this, couple of minutes, and then come back and stir it again. Yeah, you don't need to rush and let it get boiled. Then after that, this boils. Then you're gonna let it get cool. After when it cools, and then it's ready to use. Well, it's not complicated. You can do it, and that's so easy. I'm doing every time when we're done with this hand saw. I do always this. I hope this is helpful for you guys. What is the next step is, let it boil a little bit more and stir it up. And then after that, close it, the heat. Then wait, get cold and cooler. Then let it cooler. And after that, you can put it's gone cooler, and you can put it this plastic. Then start the use whenever you want. Yeah. So hopefully I'm helpful, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and see you next time with another video. Thank you guys. Bye.